Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing absolutely fine. I'm not doing too bad. I'm very happy I finally invested in a brand new helmet, the Axor X Cross off-road helmet. What's so special about this? It doesn't come with a visor. It's an MX helmet which I can use primarily for trails, but in the city also I don't really put the visor down unless it's raining, for example. So I prefer a helmet without a visor. Another thing is that it keeps the helmet really lightweight. If you see, it's just 1350 grams, really light as compared to the full-fledged Axor X Cross with the visor, which comes with a Pinlock 70 system. It weighs a whopping 1600 grams, 1600 to 1650 grams, and that, my friends, really puts some pressure on the neck, especially when you are doing long distance riding. If I do want to go long distance, I can always put helmet goggles over here, which I have, and it's something I need to still get used to. So I just wanted to share the news that I have bought a new helmet. I was considering this one and the KYT Jump Shot. Yeah, that's the one. That weighs 1450 grams. This one weighs 1350. So let me talk about a little bit about the features of this helmet that I found. So this helmet comes with this peak which has an extension over here. I found that really useful. It comes with double D ring enclosure, so that's really good. It keeps the helmet really secure. As far as certification is concerned, it's DOT certified ECE 2206, which is really useful, and of course in India the ISI certification, which doesn't really mean much as far as the safety is concerned, just that Axor are permitted to sell their helmets in retail. And I love the color of this helmet. It's very well finished. I love the design. I love the silver X which is here. I have another helmet, the Axor Apex, which also has this X, and I really love it. I've put my channel logo here already. I haven't yet worn this. I wanted to make this video for you guys before I wear the helmet so that you would see it fresh and clean. One thing that I found about this helmet, which I really found useful and interesting, so most people, including myself now, I will be putting up a Blue Armor C30 helmet intercom system right here, and in here, if you can see, there is a space made out over here for installing the mic, which is pretty useful, on trails especially. The intercom system is a very useful thing to have, so that you can stay in touch with your buddies while on the ride. Obviously I don't take this bike on trails much. I have the ADV for that, but I like to have this helmet as a city use helmet as well. For long distance touring also, I will need to purchase a new helmet. I bought this one to replace the older one which I had. That was a Vega off-road DV helmet. It used to weigh just 1100 grams. This is at 1350. This is slightly more heavy, but when I wear it, it feels really nice. It feels lightweight. It doesn't feel like there's a big load on my neck. So that's what I like about it. So one more thing I'd like to talk about this helmet. In retail, it costs about 5,500 rupees, a little bit more than that, 5,600 I guess. I got this just for 5,000 rupees. One friend of mine from office, he knows somebody in the Axor factory near Belgaum, and he was able to get me a discount. Pretty cool, isn't it? In fact, he wanted to buy a touring helmet for me as well, but I said, let me try this one first. Let me get comfortable with this one, and then I will see. So that's about it, guys. I hope you like this very short video about the Axor X Cross helmet, my newest helmet. I just wanted to share the news with you guys, and also the reasons why I bought this one over the KYT. Obviously, the main reason is the discount, and that my friend was really behind me to buy it from him. So yeah, that's about it. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So with my new helmet, it's time for me to go off on some really new and exciting adventures. Let's go!